Welcome everyone, art enthusiasts and curious minds alike, to a journey into the world of pottery and ceramics. This ancient art form is more than just a creative expression, it's a testament to human ingenuity, a tangible piece of history, and a vital part of our everyday lives. From the coffee mug that greets you in the morning to the ornate vase decorating your living room, pottery and ceramics blend functionality with aesthetics, making them both practical and poetic. But the beauty of this craft doesn't stop at its products. The process itself, from molding clay with your hands to firing it into a solid form, is a therapeutic exercise that invites you to slow down, focus, and bring your thoughts to life. It's between hands and clay, a dialogue between artist and material. So get ready to delve into the captivating world of clay molding and firing. Art, as they say, is as old as civilization itself, and pottery and ceramics hold a special place in this timeline. From the ancient river valleys, civilizations of Mesopotamia, the Indus and the Nile, to the Minoan culture of Crete and the Han dynasty of China, pottery and ceramics have been integral to human societies. Not just as functional vessels, but as canvases for storytelling and artistic expression. Imagine, if you will, a potter in ancient Egypt, meticulously shaping clay into a pot that would hold grain for the winter. This pot, while utilitarian in its purpose, also bore the stories of their gods, their kings, their victories, and their daily life etched in hieroglyphics and painted in vibrant colors. This was not just a pot, it was a testament to their culture, their beliefs, their life. Similarly, in the Ming dynasty of China, porcelain, a type of ceramic, was so revered for its beauty and craftsmanship that it was known as white gold. These exquisite pieces of art were not just for the domestic realm, but were traded far and wide, influencing global aesthetics and spawning the European quest to replicate this secret art. In the Americas, the indigenous cultures of the Southwest, such as the Hopi and Zuni tribes, created pottery that was deeply symbolic. Their intricate designs represented elements of their cosmology, their relationship with the land and their community's history. Over in Africa, pottery was traditionally women's work, and the pots they created were emblems of their artistic skill, their status within the community, and their spiritual belief. These pots, often decorated with intricate geometric patterns, were used for everything from cooking and storage to religious ceremonies. In each of these cultures, and many more besides, pottery and ceramics served a dual purpose. They met the practical needs of daily life, yes, but they also allowed for the expression of artistic creativity, the preservation of cultural heritage, and the communication of shared values and beliefs. Thus, pottery and ceramics have beautifully intertwined functionality with artistic expression throughout history. Now let's delve deeper into the fascinating process of creating pottery and ceramics. Pottery is a timeless craft that combines both art and science. The first step in the creation process involves selecting the right type of clay. With a myriad of clay types available, each with unique properties, the choice of clay can significantly impact the final product's texture, color, and durability. Earthenware, stoneware, and porcelain are the three most commonly used types of clay, each offering a different aesthetic and functional appeal. Once the clay type is chosen, it's time to shape our creation. This is where the magic happens. There are three basic techniques in pottery: hand building, wheel throwing, and glazing. Hand building is the most primitive and intuitive method. It involves shaping the clay with nothing but your hands and simple tools. Techniques like pinching, coiling, and slab building fall under this category. Each technique gives the artist a unique way to express their creativity. Wheel throwing, on the other hand, requires a potter's wheel. The wheel spins while the potter shapes the clay, resulting in symmetrical round pottery. It's mesmerizing to watch a lump of clay transform into a beautiful piece of pottery right before your eyes. And finally, we have glazing. This is the stage where pottery really comes to life. Glazes can add color, texture, and pattern to a piece. They also serve a functional purpose, making the pottery waterproof and food safe. The last step in the creation process is firing. This is where science really comes into play. Firing transforms the clay from a fragile, porous substance into a solid, durable piece of pottery. There are various firing methods, each affecting the final product's appearance and strength. Remember, pottery and ceramics are as much about the process as they are about the final product. So whether you're a seasoned potter or a curious beginner, embrace the journey and let your creativity flow. Because in the world of pottery, the possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. While it's all fun and games until someone gets hurt, safety should always be your top priority. When it comes to pottery and ceramics, it's essential to remember we're dealing with more than just clay. We're engaging with tools, equipment, and materials that, if not handled correctly, can pose risks. Firstly, let's discuss the pottery wheel, a fantastic device that allows for the creation of symmetrical pieces. However, it's important to ensure your wheel is properly grounded to avoid electric shocks. Always check the manufacturer's instructions. Next, we have the kiln, a high-temperature oven used to harden your pottery. When using a kiln, ensure proper ventilation. The firing process can release gases that might be harmful if inhaled. And remember, kilns get extremely hot. Always use heat-resistant gloves when handling a hot kiln. Hand tools, like needles, ribs, and loop tools, may seem harmless, but they are sharp and can cause injuries if not used correctly. Always point tools away from yourself and others when working. Not forget the materials we use. Clay, glazes, and slips can be problematic if not handled right. Always wear a dust mask when working with dry materials to avoid inhaling dust particles. And remember, some glazes contain harmful chemicals, so it's crucial to use them in a well-ventilated area and to avoid ingesting them. Pottery and ceramics, when done safely, can be a rewarding and fulfilling hobby or profession, so let's keep it safe and enjoy the creative journey. Now, let's talk about the best part, the limitless potential for creativity in pottery and ceramics. The beauty of this craft lies in its boundless scope for personal expression. Each artist, each culture, each era brings a distinctive touch to the pottery table, making every creation a unique piece of art. Throughout history, pottery has been a mirror reflecting the essence of various cultures. Take, for instance, the vibrant Talavera pottery of Mexico, with its intricate patterns and vivid colors, or the starkly contrasting minimalist Japanese raku ware embodying the beauty of imperfection through its intentional cracks and irregular shapes. From the ancient amphoras of Greece to the contemporary pottery of Beatrice Wood, each piece tells a story of its creator, its culture, and its time. But the true magic of pottery and ceramics lies in the hands of the creator. It's not just about replicating a style or a technique, it's about pouring your own self into the clay. It's about the intimate dance between your hands and the clay, the silent conversation, the quiet understanding. It's about the thrill of seeing a lump of clay transform under your touch, taking shape, coming alive. So, what will your pottery say about you? Will it bear the marks of your fingers, the rhythm of your heartbeat, the melody of your thoughts? Will it echo your laughter, your dreams, your soul? Will it be a testament to your patience, your persistence, your passion? The world of pottery and ceramics is an open canvas, waiting to be painted with your creativity. Experiment with different techniques, play with various clay types, explore the myriad possibilities of glazing. There are no rules here, no boundaries, just you, the clay, and your imagination. Remember, in pottery and ceramics, the world is your canvas and the clay, your medium. So go ahead, mold it, shape it, create it. Let your creativity flow, let your hands speak, let your pottery tell its story. Because in the end, that's what pottery and ceramics are all about. Storytelling through clay. Enough of the history and techniques. Now, it's your turn to get your hands dirty. The world of pottery is an ancient one, filled with creativity, expression, and the pure satisfaction of creating something with your own two hands. But it's not just about the final product, it's about the journey, the process of transforming a lump of clay into a work of art. It's about the patience, the focus, the delicate dance between your hands and the clay. You'll be wondering, where do I start? There are many resources available for the budding potter. Local community centers often offer pottery classes. Online platforms are brimming with tutorials, forums, and communities of potters just waiting to welcome you. Libraries are stocked with books on pottery techniques, history, and inspiration, but remember, pottery is not a skill you acquire overnight. It takes time, practice, and a whole lot of patience. Don't be disheartened by the lopsided pots and cracked bowls. They are but stepping stones on your journey. Immerse yourself in the process, allow your creativity to flow, and most importantly, have fun. The world of pottery is waiting for you to leave your mark, so go ahead, explore, create, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. And remember, every potter was once a beginner. If you like content like this and wish for other art lovers and enthusiasts as yourself to see this content, don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Also, leave a comment on what other art forms you would be curious to know about. Until next time, keep shaping your dreams into reality.